Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about optional type in TypeScript. In previous video we learned what is type aliases and interface. We've learned how to use these two concepts to define the shape of an object, and we even seen the difference between these two concepts. Now let's create here first a shape. Let me cap this here, employee input type. We just define here a type alias. And then let's create an object here, employee, let's say create employee input. And then we're gonna type it with employee input type alias. And then we're gonna need to pass it the name and email. Here, let's say here the name is Chris, and here the email is chris@gmail.com. You can see here, if we comment the email here, you can see that TypeScript throws an error. Probably email is missing in type because we just comment the email key here. And if we remove it, the error disappears. Now, how can we make the email key optional? It means a key may or may not exist by using this modifier here. And this is how we can use this modifier here to specify that a given key within a type, it is optional. Here, if we come in the create employee input object and we comment the email, we are going to see that TypeScript doesn't throw at any error because here email is optional. We don't need to specify this key here. Because if we over, TypeScript infers it to be a string or undefined. If we specify it in the create employee input, it means we are going to assign it a string. Let's see now how you can use the same thing. You can achieve the same thing using interface. Let's create another. Let's define another shape here using interface. Interface, say I employee input type. And then here we can just achieve the same thing here. This time we are going to say that name and email are going to be optional. And if we grab this, comment this first, and grab this here, you're going to see when we are going to type it with I employee input type, we cannot even specify these two keys, name and email. And then you're gonna see that TypeScript will throw an error. And if we remove these two modifiers here, you're going to see that TypeScript says we need to pass these two keys. And that's what we call optional type. We can use it when we want. We don't want to use a specific key. We want to make a specific key within an object to be optional. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next one.